This is 7.3 practice. We're looking at inequalities within a triangle. List the angles in order from least to greatest. We don't know the angle measures, we know the side lengths. These are all in yards. That's the smallest side, that's the smallest angle. So angle P is the smallest angle. Its measure is going to be less than the rest of them. That's the next smallest side. That's the next smallest angle. That's the biggest side, biggest angle. We're going to use compound inequalities, least to greatest. Here's how you read it. Measure of angle P is less than the measure of angle R, is less than the measure of angle Q. Angle Q is the biggest, angle P is the smallest, angle R is in between. List the sides in order from least to greatest. These are angle measures. We know that because, well, they're inside the triangle, but they also have a unit that's degrees. That's the smallest angle, angle T. So the smallest side is segment RS. Its measure is the smallest. Next smallest angle, segment RT. Biggest angle, across from it is segment TS. The length of segment RS is less than the length of segment RT. That's less than the length of segment TS. Smallest, biggest, in between. Identify the angle with the greatest measure. Make sure you read those directions. Well, the angle with the greatest measure is going to be across from the side with the greatest length. This is the longest side. So the biggest angle is angle B. Identify the side with the greatest measure. Well, there's an issue here because we only know two of the angles. But remember, if it's a triangle and you only know two of the angles, you can always find the third one. So we'll do 180 minus 79 minus 49. And that gives you 52 degrees. Now, the biggest angle is 79 degrees. Across from that is the biggest side, and that's what you're looking for. So segment IH is the biggest segment.